what's in these boxes. Hey loves! Mabuhay! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to say thank you for supporting this channel and being here with me all throughout my journey of having 399 subscribers and hoping to achieve 1,000 very soon. In order to achieve that, I am going to do some few changes in my channel to spice up the watching experience of my viewers. First, I will be calling you guys my PairSquad. We are a pair now. I am sharing my experiences, you're sharing your questions on what you needed to be answered, or maybe you're looking for tips, or maybe you're looking for anything that you want to know in this channel. So make sure keep commenting down my videos if you have questions that I can maybe answer. And let's grow this community together. Let's inspire and motivate more people like us, dreaming and building the better version of ourselves. The second changes, this is very exciting. I know this is gonna bring a lot of relationship between my co-YouTubers and myself, because I am doing a shout out per video to spice up the watching experiences of my viewers. So I will pick one comment that I will be featuring in my YouTube channel, his or her videos. But in order to be picked, I want you to comment with a motivating, inspiring, and very positive comment, and I will be featuring your YouTube channel if you do have one. And how is that? Do you like that idea? If you do, don't forget to comment down there. Let's grow our YouTube channel together. So I'm sorry for the long intro. Right now, let's move on to opening these boxes. Let's get started. These boxes, I got them as I am member of Prime Amazon, and if you checked my description, I have some links that I put there. I've mentioned my favorite and products. I will be getting some commission if you do click those links, just to help my YouTube channel too, if ever you're gonna click those links and order through Amazon. So that's not why I put those links just to earn money, because the products that I'm be putting are really great, and I'm using those products. So I hope you guys check those out. And let's open the first box. What's in this box? Let's see. Do you have any idea of your Mother's Day gift or gift for yourself? I know this time of the year is very hard for everybody. Buying material things are really hard right now to just focus on. If it's not needed, you don't have to buy those material things. But if you are looking for a gift for your parent, for your mom, or for yourself, or your friend, Amazon is gonna be your partner. Amazon is very reliable, especially in online, in delivering products or packages. I've been using Amazon since I got here in Canada, so I've been here for 4 years, almost 5. So I can assure you guys, really reliable. So first product that I have here is the Watermelon Hydrating Face Mask. So this one is my very first time ordering it because I feel like I needed the hydrating face mask, and this product is 5 stars in Amazon, so I really want to try it, and hopefully it will be a good addition on my skincare routine. This second box, I'll be opening it now. Please don't forget to subscribe for good vibes. So here are the next products. So for this one, this is my Organica Your Natural Solution Enhanced Collagen. I had one similar one, and this is what I've been using, and almost done. So meaning I really love this product. It smells so I've been drinking it for a month or two, and I really love it. I saw few changes on my skin. It's glowing. I feel like it's helping my skin rejuvenate and refresh because I am drinking a powder like this. It's 100% pure flavorless hydrolyzed collagen peptides powder. It's gonna help you to be youthful, hydrate, glow. My second box, and it's 500 grams. So try it out. This complex, let's open it. Complex 15 Daily Face Cream. So I had my cream, which is Lancome, but unfortunately I can't afford it because it's too expensive. So I tried looking for something to help me my oily face. And next product is this Insta Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Pure Skin Treatment. So I had one of this serum. This is what I'm talking about. It has hyaluronic, and I finished everything. So yeah, it's finished, my serum. So I got this Hyaluronic Acid Pure. I researched about it. It's what I need when you have oily, sensitive skin and acne prone. You need hyaluronic acid. I really enjoy this product, so check it out. And these are the products that I got from Amazon. This what in this box, beauty products. This is my second video of my beauty products unboxing from Amazon, and Amazon is a great online shopping app. So if you are looking for reliable and inexpensive beauty products, check out Amazon. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below for possible if you want to be featured on my next video. And I'll see you on these videos or this one. Goodbye. Thank you.